Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter from physics, light, reflection and refraction. It is very interesting and scoring chapter. So, students, are you able to see objects in dark? Means where there is no light. No. Yes, because light is a form of radiant energy that causes the sensation of sight in our eye. Without light, we are not able to see any objects around us. So first term come is that is reflection. Reflection is the process in which light comes back after striking any polished surface. Suppose we talk about a plane mirror which is polished from back side. So here the light which is coming on the plane mirror is called the incident ray, and the light which is reflected from the plane surface is called the reflected ray. And there is a normal which is perpendicular to the plane mirror, represented here by red line. The angle between the normal and the incident ray is called angle of incidence, denoted by small I, and the angle between normal and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection, denoted by small r. And the laws of reflection you know very well in your previous class, that angle of incidence, that is capital small I, is equal to angle of reflection small r, and the incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. These are the laws of reflection. Suppose you are standing in front of a plane mirror. So what are the characteristics of image formed? How is the image? Yes, the image is same in size as the object, and it is same distance from the mirror as the object's distance. Another is that upright and virtual. Virtual means not real, behind the mirror. And main important is left right reversed, means you see that if you raise your right hand, the mirror will show you it left. That is called lateral inversion. The exchange of right and left side of an object and its image is called lateral inversion. So these are the characteristics of plane mirror image. Now we discuss about spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors is one whose reflecting surface is a part of hollow sphere, means they are formed by an hollow sphere. You can see here the spherical mirror are of two types. One is concave mirror and another is convex mirror. Concave mirror, you can see here, is silvered from outside, means polished from outside, and the reflection takes place at the inner surface. Whereas convex mirror, the silvered from inner side, and the reflection takes place from the outer surface. So these are the two types of mirror which is formed by spheres. They are called spherical mirrors.